The operation method of the smart lock. Setting method of door opening direction. Press 888 plus confirm to set the door opening direction. Select left or right. Note that the setting of the door opening direction is operated without the input of the administrator. Otherwise, this menu option will not be accessible. Enter administrator or the common user in the initial state. Press the return key plus confirm key, and enter the initial password 123,456 to enter the setting menu. Select 1 Towser Manage 1 to add management users. Select 1 Add fingerprint, password, card confirm key. Input the corresponding fingerprint password, card information according to the serial number. Return to previous layer. Option 2 Record face. And then choose 3 entry Palmer vein. How to connect to Aya app with mobile phone. First, press the return key plus confirm key. Input the administrator password or fingerprint to enter the settings menu. Select 2 remote manage, then select 1 create phone, and select 1 Wi-Fi. Open the Tuaya app. Turn on Bluetooth in advance to automatically search for devices. And then choose the 2 4G network to link. And wait for the connecting success. Connected. Press the lock doorbell and the phone will receive an alert to open the door and snap a photo. And unlock it remotely.
Hello.
Press and hold to unlock. Turn on the monitor to view it in real time. You can choose to open or not. You can also set a temporary password here. Select the aging password you want to set and click Generate.
Here you can view every unlocking record.
Restore factory settings. 1. In the system, press the return key plus confirm key. Press administrator password to enter the settings menu. Select 4 system query and then select 3 factory reset. Press the confirm button to confirm. 2. Press and hold the unlock and lock keys simultaneously on the rear panel for more than 5 seconds. Press the confirm button to confirm.